Put away from production. Once logged into the device, the menu is displayed where the user can select the process to be performed. This menu can be organized to suit the operator role's requirements and can be simplified to show only the options needed for the role. On the processing menu, Goods Receipt is selected, which displays a list of receiving transactions. Then, GR from Production Order option is selected. Now, the user scans or enters the production order number. This displays information related to the order such as the material number, material description, quantity, etc. User can now enter the quantity to be posted. And then click on the Post button to post goods receipt. The document is now successfully posted. Next step is to put away these materials into the warehouse. This will appear in the put away workload of the next transaction. The user navigates back to the menu and chooses the multi-TO application to perform the put away from production. We decided our put away workload is a list of open TOs grouped by destination storage type. We have an option to apply a filter or group the list of open TOs using any field in the grid as the criteria. We can also filter or group by the process. After applying this, the screen shows what filter is used and the resulting workload. We can also say show all and no filter is applied when going to the next screen, thereby displaying all the TOs. We can now select the TO to be confirmed. In our example, we require the operator to first enter the target quantity, followed by the destination bin. Whenever the requested value matches the entered value, the fields on the screen turn green. If the values do not match, they will turn red or orange depending on whether we allow a deviation or not. If we, for example, enter a lower quantity than expected, we can customize that this transaction will branch into a different screen where we can decide how to handle the difference. For example, send to lost and found, or simply change the quantity and leave the leftovers on the source so we can put them somewhere else. Our warehouse operator has now successfully put away the materials from production to the warehouse.